Money Monday, and we're answering the question that everybody who's looking at houses wants to know. Do you rent or do you buy? Keith Lewis of Lewis Financial joins us to answer that question, so let's not bury the lead here. What do you do, rent or buy?
Buy.
Okay.
Warren Buffett says, buy a house.
Well, I'm not here to argue with Warren Buffett, but I am curious, why is buying better than renting?
Well, in this area, there's appreciation all over the place. So in the price range from, say, like a first-time buyer, like 150 to 3, they're flying off the shelves. So the prices are going up. Okay, that's number one. Number two is you have equity in the property.
Yeah.
You're developing equity. Part of that payment is going towards equity. Part of the payment is going towards interest, and the interest is tax deductible.
Okay, let's talk a little bit about interest, because interest rates are starting to trend upwards. Have we hit the bottom, and now we're seeing them climb back towards 4.5?
They're going up. The Fed's going to raise in March, in a week. Then they're talking about raising 2 more times. So when the Fed raises, the long-term rates follow, but they're still at all-time lows.
Yeah.
So that's another reason to buy and get a 30-year fixed rate, which Warren Buffett says, the best deal ever.
Yeah.
Okay? Now.
Okay, so I did a little bit of research here. I stumbled across a site called RealityTrack.com, and what this site does is it broke down every Michigan county either as a rent or a buy county. Everyone in Southeast Michigan was buy, exactly what you said, with the exception of 2, Washtenaw and Oakland County. Average rental price in Washtenaw was $1,500, and Oakland was $1,300 to rent. The buying was almost the exact same. Why did this site say that?
Okay, so when you say the buying is the same, are you acquiring equity in a rental? No. And again, the tax deductibility. And it's also starting, it's developing, especially for the first-time home buyer, it's getting you into real estate, and you can take it from there. But you're acquiring equity, and you also have something that's yours. So I don't know if the price is the same, if the actual price is the same, again, every time you make a payment, you're paying towards principal.
So you would recommend
so it's a savings account, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And that makes a whole lot of sense. And I will tell you this, that same website said of all of the counties they analyzed across the country, 66% of them, they say, are buy counties as opposed to rent counties.
Right.
So they agree with what you said. You brought some comparisons here. Let's talk a little bit about this example for Warren.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, so if you look at Warren, so the average rental is about $950 a month. Okay? So you can buy a house or a condo for $84,000. If you break it down, the principal and the interest is $395. Okay, that's the payment on 4.125. So how much is principal? It's $115. $115 is your money. That's equity. That's going to your savings account. The interest is $280. So $280 is tax deductible. Property taxes are $162. Tax deductible.
So it's when you add all of this stuff up, where the price to buy that property, and you got another one there in Royal Oak, but it says the same thing, which is it's going to make more sense for you to build that equity with your money than to just throw it away with renting.
Correct.
So right now is a buy time in Michigan.
No question.
There you go. Keith said it. So did Warren Buffett. So we got to believe them both. All right, we're going to put this information, this video, on our website at fox2detroit.com. Thanks so much, Keith.
Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yep. Guys, back over to you.